How does a power plant generate electricity? Complete power plant working. Explained. Have you ever wondered how electricity travels from a power plant to your home? In this video, I'll explain the complete power generation process in just 2 minutes. A power plant is a facility that converts different forms of energy into electrical energy. Depending on the type of plant, the energy source can be coal, natural gas, nuclear fuel, hydro, wind, or solar. However, the basic principle of electricity generation remains almost the same. Let's take a thermal power plant as an example. The process starts inside the boiler, where fuel is burned to produce an extremely high temperature. This heat converts water into high-pressure, high-temperature steam. The steam is then directed toward a steam turbine. As the steam flows through the turbine blades, it causes the turbine to rotate at high speed. The turbine shaft is directly connected to a generator. Inside the generator, a rotating magnetic field cuts through stationary copper windings, producing electricity through electromagnetic induction. After leaving the turbine, the steam enters a condenser, where it is cooled and converted back into water. The water is then pumped back into the boiler, creating a continuous closed-loop cycle. The generated electricity passes through a step-up transformer, which increases the voltage to reduce transmission losses. It is then transmitted through high-voltage power lines to substations, where the voltage is reduced before finally reaching homes, hospitals, offices, and industries. Modern power plants also use advanced PLC, DCS, SCADA, and protection systems to monitor equipment, improve efficiency, and ensure safe and reliable operation 24/7. That's how a power plant generates the electricity that powers our everyday lives. If you enjoy electrical engineering, PLC programming, industrial automation, and power plant content, subscribe for more easy-to-understand engineering videos.